If you want to make extra coin with Kling AI, one of the best methods is to be an affiliate or join their affiliate program. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Kling AI affiliate program. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Kling AI official website. You need to scroll down to the last page, and once you get to the last page on about section, you should see you have affiliate program. Click on affiliate program and it will be redirected to this page. Choose the language if you will be required to, and here we go. We have an option to become a Kling AI affiliate. To apply, click on apply now and you'll be redirected to another page which is outside Kling. Then go to sign up. Here you'll see contract terms. We are told on payout details, the default is 10% of order sell amount. And you can read the details about the schedule, qualified referrals, just to mention, but a few. Some of the things you have to note is that payout schedule, you're told approved transactions are paid 35 days after end of the month, they lock. And when it comes to referral window, you are told you have to allow referral from clicks within 42 days. On deductions, you have here iOS deductions. We have the details here. So go through until to the end here. Then confirm by checking this box. I have read and accepted Kling AI offer. Then click on continue. Choose the account you wish to sign in with. I'll proceed with Google and choose my email and finally continue here. And here we go. Enter your details, that is the first and the last names, then your phone number, and finally check on this box and click get started to complete the process. So that's how you can join Kling AI affiliate program. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.